I am investigative blogger Crystal Cox. I am the victim of a WIPO panelist named Peter Michelson, who had a massive conflict of interest in deciding over the domain name markrandazza.com. Check out www.francisgurry.com for more information on this topic. I am showing you today a web stat. This is my stat counter. I use statcounter.com, and this is a web stat showing Geneva, Switzerland, the IP address, browser Firefox, this is the information about the computer, World Association of Domainers, not domainers, sorry, I'm a domainer, World Intellectual Property Association, can't even say it right. Okay, 5 hours. This is a web stat showing that the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, has seen this link, Francis Gurry, open letter to WIPO director. Now, I have sent this to the legal team at WIPO. I have gotten no response. I have sent this to Francis Gurry and to the people in the top of WIPO. I have got no response. Elliot Bernstein and myself have called WIPO several times, and we have talked to, I believe it was Eric Wilbur, and we've got several contact information from those phone calls. They will no longer take our calls. They will not discuss this matter with us. There will be a lawsuit filed in the Switzerland courts as soon as we possibly can do so. This web stat proves that even though they're ignoring the letter that I've sent them several times and ignoring my rights, they have seen the letter. This web stat is proof that they have seen the letter. I'll show you where this link goes to. Okay, this is my blog, francisgurry.com. I started it the other day in order to get into the search engines for the name Francis Gurry, who's the WIPO director. It is not to extort anyone, even though everyone says that's why I do this. It's certainly not. This is to expose what they've done to help so that it doesn't happen to other people. Okay, open letter to WIPO Director Francis Gurry and Edward Kwakwa, WIPO Legal Counsel. Now, they have not acknowledged receipt of this letter, but this web stat certainly does acknowledge that they have received a letter. So check this out. I'll have a link on the video. Probably can't see it in here, but it's a pretty good sized letter. Okay, now here is francisgurry.com. It has the letter on top right now, but it will have this web stat on top here in a minute. Okay, so again, this is the WIPO web stat. Today is December 17th, 2012. World Intellectual Property Organization. This web stat proves that they know of fraud and corruption within WIPO, and they have not acknowledged this to us who are involved, Elliot Bernstein and Crystal Cox. They need to let their insurance providers know and their shareholders, whoever's involved financially with WIPO, of this massive liability. They have not acknowledged receipt of this letter, again, via email. I have sent several times. They will not take phone calls from Elliot Bernstein nor myself. This proves that they know that this letter exists, what cases are it's involving, how Peter L. Michelson has a massive conflict of interest he did not disclose, how it is illegal that Peter Michelson accused Crystal Cox and Elliot Bernstein of extortion with no proof, no criminal complaint, no conviction from a U.S. court in any way of conviction. This is severe defamation. It is a crime, and WIPO Director General Francis Gurry and the WIPO Legal Counsel are liable for this. They now know. So check out francisgurry.com. My name is Crystal. I'm an investigative blogger, and I expose corruption. My email is crystal@crystalcox.com or savvy, S-A-V-V-Y, broker @yahoo.com.